Welcome back to Brother Pacific. On this episode, I will be traveling to the southwest corner of Washington to meet up with Jesse for the weekend for fishing. The two lakes we are about to fish are unique in their own way, so let's go out there and have some fun.
Is he still there? You got him?
I think so.
What is it?
Maybe not.
Huh?
I got him.
Woo! Simmer down.
Pacific Brothers, all day.
Boat flip. Come here, bud.
Oh, he's good size.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
All right, where you got first fish of the day?
Well, that's a nice fish, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that was my pull, though.
It's all right. All day, every day.
That's a nice rainbow.
Just right
Yeah.
when you wanted to turn.
That's it.
That's a nice fish.
Fishing on Lacamas Lake was very difficult. We threw everything we had at them. But now it's time for us to get back home, regroup, and re-strategize for tomorrow's kokanee trip. The essentials for kokanee fishing include corn, garlic oil, and anise plus. This will help us catch those kokanee in Lake Merwin. Now to add on to that, we have a variety of different mac lures with different color schemes and different setups. This will help us with trolling on Lake Merwin. Now for the perfect corn, you take 2 containers, and in each container you use 3 to 4 scoops of corn, as you can see Jesse doing right now. Now to spice up your corn, you put the anise into one of the containers, as you can see Jesse doing right now. And then with the other container, you put the garlic oil in the other one. After you put your corn spice in, you're going to put your lids on both containers tight. I mean very tight. And then you're going to watch Jesse as he's having a little too much fun shaking his corn. Now this last part I wouldn't recommend, but some fishermen like the smell of their product, as Jesse liked the smell of the first one, but the second one was kind of a bad choice. After you're done smelling your product, you just take it to the fridge and let it chill. For our first pole setup, we're going to use a sling blade and the Max Cha-Cha lure. For the second pole setup, we're going to use the Ford Fender flashers and the Mac Kokanee Pro lure. Now setting up your rod, you're going to first attach a swivel to the main line. After attaching the swivel to your main line, you are now going to attach the sling blade to the swivel. After attaching the sling blade, you take your Mac lure leader and tie it to that eyelet at the very end of the sling blade. This is what your finished product should look like. We got the boat packed and the corn stocked, and we're ready to slaughter some kokanee on this beautiful lake. The weather was downpour rain, but hey man, we slaughtered them kokanee. Here's some action shots.
Oh, yeah. When you get close, back up around.
Okay. All right.
Up.
Brother Pacific right here.
Huh? Alright, back up to where I'm at. I'm not going that way. Yeah, I did the same thing.
Boom.
There you go, buddy.
All day. Damn, I was cruising.
Simmer down.
Grab. Keep that fork tender out of the water.
Whee! Get him, Butch.
Goddamn, quit spinning, Kokanee.
There he is. Get him. Get him, Jess.
Need a longer arm, boy.
Hey, how about right the butt?
Jimmy, old on Jimmy.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Jesus.
Simmer down. This way. Not by the motor.
I can't. I'm going.
Some bit just turn when it's slow like this.
Woo! Brother Pacific. Don't worry, we got plenty of room around us.
Flattened out.
Here, turn that motor. Turn that motor.
I kind of put it that way so I could get up the side. Ready?
Get it, Butch. Landed.
So I can reel up.
Nice.
Take the full.
Got it?
You're right. He knows when they hit.
Start backing up.
That damn net needs to be about a foot longer.
Woo! Number 3.
I don't know what you guys would do without me.
I know. There we go. Huh? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Old Butch with the scoop. Oh shit. Even though it was cold and rainy, but catching fish with Jesse and Butch was fun. It was a trip I'll never forget. I'd like to end it on this note. Fishing's not about catching fish. It's about being on the outdoors and spending time with friends and family. Now you all keep casting out your lures and hooking them lips, you hear? Thanks for tuning in to Brother Pacific. We'll catch you on our next adventure. See you in the backcountry.